What's the meaning of appliquéd? Appliquéd. Appliquéd.
Appliquéd. Appliquéd. The term appliquéd refers to a technique in textile design where one piece of fabric is sewn onto another for decorative effect. The process involves cutting out a shape or design from one fabric and stitching it onto a larger piece of fabric, usually with a machine or by hand. The result is a layered, three-dimensional effect that can be used to create interesting designs and patterns on clothing, quilts, and home decor items. Appliqué can add texture, color, and depth to a design and is a popular technique among quilters, fashion designers, and crafters alike.